What's up, guys? It's Doctor the Phone Doctor again. Got a lot of jobs we're doing here, finishing up. But today, our main focus is on one of our customers that came from the Facebook. Her name is Antoinette. So Antoinette has a iPhone X. So we're gonna try to get it done for 140. She already deposited 90. The balance is gonna be 50. Let's try to get it done. Sorry about that. Good. We got some stubborn bottom screws. Okay. Gotta show you. You got stubborn screws. This is how you do it. Top. This is how you do it. There's a blade deep. Don't, can't cut anything because there's something protecting the child to put right there. Right there. Leave that there for a second. Leave that there.
are you doing that for you?
YouTube.
YouTube? He's recording.
Yeah. Teaching them a trick. You go slowly around, because your screws can't come out. So you just created a little bit of space. You're not trying to take the whole thing out, like see here. And with that now, you will be able to remove it because of the defective screws. But now the screen is still functional. You didn't break it yet. Good. You see that now. It gives you.
Come on, bro. Listen.
Let me unblock. Don't call my name like I'm really annoying. I'm asking one question.
Bro, I'm still fucking pissed at you. That's the shit that happened here.
That wasn't my fault, bro.
Nothing was ever anything.
That wasn't my fault, bro. These people whoever gave you the job should have never gave you the job. The job wasn't supposed to be a job in the first place. Because what they were doing, they thought I was doing was coming to have a look.
You need a flat screw like this.
And a look.
You go directly to
They
the
thought I was an actual
screw.
person.
Underneath their head is a little zinc.
Okay.
You go directly to where that is, and you press that. I mean, you're dislodging the connector that's connected to the screw.
They were expecting me to do what I was doing. When I went in started doing what I was doing, I got them upset.
Again, same thing
They
again.
wanted to call security.
There's the screen. Get the flat screwdriver straight to where.
They were upset like, what are you doing?
Right there under the metal.
And I discovered the actual sheet, right?
I couldn't
take the sheet.
Call me.
See, now
I
that's
did
the
call.
move
Call me after.
Because I didn't know.
away from the screw.
I called you
So I can
before.
take them
actually.
out.
I called you before. I said, hey, so what do you want me to do? I said, these machines, it's a lot of machines in there. I said, it's a lot. The way it was looking, and they're not set up like that's what they've been doing.
You would have gotten paid in your contract.
Let's
I
start.
would have got paid from time now.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, how you doing?
So look at the phone now. See yourself. See yourself the damage.
You unlock this guy?
What carrier is it?
I don't know. I don't think it's a carry on.
Well, it's gotta be some carrier. You mean, is it something that you found?
Nah, it's my babysitter. See, it fell off the truck, basically.
Right.
So I took it to get it connected, and it told me that it's on a list.
It's on a blacklist.
Exactly.
I can't connect it.
Give me 2 seconds. What's up, boss?
How much does it cost to make a print?
2?
Okay, thank you.
What do you want to know?
Fortunately. So she did put it in rice for 2 weeks, so pretty much dry, but I'm still gonna be careful with removing the connectors because of the water damage.
What's that?
What
With
carrier
my
did you
mask.
try to use at home?
I took it to a Boost. Right? Is that the one? That's the one down the block, right? Is that fixable?
I'm trying to see right now.
Remove the battery. First thing to do. So since the screen has no damage, I'm gonna do one more. And then back the battery. Sometimes phone just freezes. See if you see what's in Yeah. Okie dokie. sometimes, like I said, phone fixes itself. See? Simple fix. Open, disconnect, reconnect. Phone fix itself. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. What we'll do now is we will
No?
No, it's
actually refund her $40.
stolen by the insurance company, not by the carrier. So wherever it came from, the person called the insurance company.
But I think I should change it because the screen looked like it's lifting up. It just might happen again because it's water. I think I'm gonna change it, and then I'll just let her know that even though her screen works, it could actually feed back to the phone if there's water still in the screen. So I'm gonna change it for the safety of the phone. So I gotta make money, but I wanna do the right thing at the same time. So let's see.
What do you mean? I'm a regular private customer.
Exactly, but we can't do business in here.
So if I was a customer, you wouldn't have one.
No, hell no.
Well,
Hell no.
so what would you do? Tell them what?
Huh?
You're a customer.
I would be like, yeah, I'd be like, bro, this person came to me, just stay out of it.
But your business is closed with them. What's not the door?
Bro, I don't have time to debate this shit with you right now. It's not right.
I'm trying to help him and help myself. I need a phone with a camera. So I was gonna put $20 in his pocket and use the joint and hotspot off my phone so I can, upload the video. My businesses were suffering because I have the camera. What phone is this right here? What is this, iPhone? Huh? How much? That's dumb. I could have just bought that phone from that dude, bro.
Sometimes you must, if you're doing this thing at home, you buy a screen, you ensure you check to see if it has these plastic connectors right here. Sometimes it doesn't come with it. So you just put the new screen right here. I don't know, when I pick it out like this, it's much better for me. I get to actually control the speaker. I get to do everything. I can actually bend this and make it easier for me to exit this part. This is an iPhone X. So basically that's it right there. So what you do is, you see this one comes with a groove and everything. So what you do, first of all, let me just do the right thing. You take this one off, the plastic. You need to get this bad boy off. I don't know, but in some cases I would just cut it to a point and I'd leave the rest on, because I think it does a good job of folding up, making the phone feel more compact. So let me try to show you this. You line it up like this, then show this wrong spot, go into that wrong spot right there. But me, I would start with this long square spot right here. This has to do something with the sensor that scans you. So has to do something with the sensor that scans you. So that's basically that's what you want. Sure. This guy owns a business, right? Right here.
What fucking business? Let's talk. You see, he going, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see, I can't handle the fucking question. Well, if I send him on a job to take some pictures and he fuck up the whole job, fuck up the whole relationship with the company. Easy money. Fucking $75 an hour.
Mm.
And he fuck up the whole job. Yeah, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. You do what? What iPhone and what carrier?
Oh, there's an ad out there that we are the unlocked kings. So you should.
What carrier would you like to use it with? That's really not gonna work out too well for you internationally right now. Let me double check something. Hold on.
I let people already know that we can remote access internationally, okay? So you're gonna get some calls like that. The screws are super big. Don't take worries with them. If you drop one, you just might see it. Might. More like might not, but
Yeah, right now it can be done like that. How much you charging for the charge for the X?
130. It's important.
$70, $200. 350. A lady's supposed to be coming for this computer in front.
How much?
220. She wanted me to install Google Meets on it for her. Google Meets is not a program itself. You just go to the website and do it.
Yeah. There's an app on. What do you think?
It's an app on your phone.
Yeah.
No, not. You just go to the website and do it. You go and make these runs, because the amount of fucking runs I have to make today is ridiculous. No, sorry I had to leave you there by yourself, but you still go. That's it. In a couple of weeks, I'm gonna hire a Chinese girl. She's gonna come and organize everything, make sure everything go out, post about the stuff on Facebook, this, that, answer the phone.
You done see this girl already?
I did. She used to work in a store from before. With her uncle closed down the store. Let me just do this now.
I ain't got a problem working with nobody.
You say?
So me ain't got a problem working with nobody, you know. I'ma text Eddie and ask you what the hell. But then again, you're hiring somebody, so
No, but Eddie can't handle. You know Eddie can't. Nah, Eddie's a child. I need to know that. Frozen. Huh? Frozen, right? Slightly. Slightly? Thank you. Let me give you money for that.
Do it later if you pass them by.
Okay.
No problem.
anything, she should be able to open the phone like a book. Like that. Close, open, close, open, close. Flip it like this. Get to see yourself. Sorry. Open. Close. Oh, you must remember that you did mess up the back screw. So you wanted to get that back in. If they're stuck, they're pretty much going to stay stuck. They're not going to come out. So is this here, and you put them back on the same way you took them off. By slipping it in and having it stick. Now listen to the clip. Yeah, that's it. Have it slip the clip back in.
Wow.
Thank you guys. Another repair. Camera work was poor. I need more experience with the camera work and stuff. You guys can excuse me because I have to be doing the repair also. 140 baht.